Mind, Body and Soul Maya, I'd love to introduce you to a really, really nice lady we have on set. She's come with her fresh energy and she's going to tell us कि हम लोग किस तरीके से अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रख सकते हैं. Her name is Dr. Laiba Sheikh. She's a consultant dermatologist and aesthetic physician. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. अच्छा, तो आप जो है basically dermatology में specialize कर चुकी हैं, just to let the people know, right?
Yeah.
And you have done your trainings from Beverly Hills in USA as well, right?
Yes.
And since you've been doing it for a while, you're specifically known for anti-aging and regenerative cell training, right?
Yes.
So how does that really work?
I mean, that's the new ball game actually. Everyone wants to be young. And I thought that's something I should expertise in rather than doing anything else.
Anything else. So, you know, so basically हम लोग जब complexion की बात कर रहे होते हैं and young रहने की बात कर रहे होते हैं, what are some of the key factors, Laiba, that we look at?
You know, actually, you got up a really good point because your key factors in it, they're somehow connected. ठीक है? When we say about skin problems, the main problem, हमारे problems जो more than anti-aging is pigmentation. Okay? And that is somehow associated with the main root cause of us not using a sunblock.
Sunblock, yeah.
Sunblock use नहीं करते, you age faster, and then you come to me for anti-aging.
Anti-aging.
Also, you're not using a sunblock, and hence you have pigmentation. जो हम कहते हैं ना कि दोनों एक ही जगह you start.
We call it छाइयाँ in Urdu, I think as well.
छाइयाँ, बिल्कुल छाइयाँ is the word.
Yeah.
English में हम इसको मलाज़मा भी बोलते हैं.
मलाज़मा, yeah.
Right, but उसके बहुत types हैं pigmentation के भी. So then you have them on the forehead. कुछ लोगों को बिल्कुल equally होता है और आदमियों का बिल्कुल different type of pigmentation होता है because of the sun exposure they have और उनकी skin का texture कुछ इस तरह होता है. Gets more thicker and the pigmentation is worse. So I think the more complaints we see is कि या तो उनको young होना है या अपनी pigmentation दूर करनी. These are the two main problems.
Yeah, but I think a lot of women also have issues with वो जो acne scars भी रह जाते हैं skin के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा. And आजकल young लड़कियाँ तो Laiba, I feel are more conscious than older women as well, right?
हम तो पता नहीं क्या कर रहे थे बचपन में. अब तो पूरी skin के routine से बच्चियों की.
मैं actually cricket खेल रही थी बाहर. I'm not kidding.
Oh really?
Cap पहन के. Like I used to be such a tomboy. मुझे तो इतनी अकल थी नहीं when I was young.
And then how did this come up?
I guess because मैंने ज़्यादा तारबत्तियाँ नहीं की थे मुझ के साथ कभी. I've never done anything to my face. ज़्यादा एक facial करा लेती हूँ and I'm still somebody who would use an upton. So I'm one of those people.
No, I do advocate all that. Yeah. That is something. taking घरेलू चीज़ें कभी भी नुकसान नहीं दे सकती. अगर मैं कहती हूँ फ़ायदा नहीं देती तो नुकसान. हाँ, but ये I would say कि एक हमारा problem ये है कि अगर कोई skin में बीमारियाँ भी होती हैं, ठीक है, and you cannot treat them with basin.
Okay.
You cannot.
Yeah, of course.
So there are a lot of people that have these issues कि जी कमर पे दाने निकल रहे हैं तो कोई बात नहीं जी बेसन में उपटन लगा लो.
बहुत लोगों को बैकनी भी होती है.
But that turns really bad at times.
Of course. Yeah, I've seen cases.
Yes, and then there are types of acne जो आपको underarms में, groin areas में, underlegs में भी होती है. उसके लिए भी लोग कहते हैं जी बेसन लगा लें. That is a complete different skin disease that needs to be treated. So I would say please.
And skin is the largest organ anyway, so you have to really take care of it. Acha, so you know we were talking about sunblock as well, but before we go there, Laiba, I'd love for you to tell us some basics. 4-5 points के औरतें अपना घर में किस तरीके से ध्यान स्किन का रख सकती है. Some basic things.
So again देखिए वो जिस तरह मैंने mention किया कि main problem ही pigmentation का है. Complexion थोड़ा better हो जाए, bright हो जाए. You know these are the main problems that they actually deal with. मैं I'm not someone who promotes brightening as in whitening. Brightening ठीक है, you look better, you look fresh, you look have a glow. But ये जो whitening का एक complex है, I don't promote that, right?
Of course.
But जो आपकी अपनी complexion इसको better कर सकते हैं. How? It's a like जिस तरह आजकल मैं देख रही हूँ influencers, bloggers, क्या-क्या चीजें mention कर रहे हैं. It's a very simple routine that you guys need to follow. A very good sunblock, a very good moisturizer.
And I'm sorry to cut you off, Laiba. Sunblock कितने SPF का हो ये भी आप बता दो.
Okay, this is going to be not nice for a lot of companies, but SPF 50 से ऊपर सब ठीक है.
SPF 50 से ऊपर? हाँ. तो कितने 50 से कम के भी बन रहे हैं?
A good face wash, a good sunblock, a good moisturizer, and a good serum that suits your skin.
Okay.
ये basics हैं, ठीक है? ठीक है. आगे फिर आप जितनी skin care को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, you can do it.
ठीक है.
But then again, I say कि उतनी ही चीज़ डालो skin में जितनी वो absorb भी कर सकते हैं. You know, you can't put on 10 serums and expect it to give you a magical result. It's not going to do that.
Yeah.
Right? So a good moisturizer अब तो बहुत सारे आ गए हैं in the market which are actually.
What would consist of a good moisturizer as well?
Okay, so I would say anything that you know fixes your skin barrier. Okay. Because moisturizer का काम ये है कि आपका skin barrier maintain करे. तो skin barrier maintain करने के लिए there are few products and आजकल there are few in the market which have glycerine in it.
Okay.
Which is actually a very good thing to maintain a skin barrier. अब ये ना मैंने glycerine बोल दिया तो लोग घर पे glycerine मलना शुरू कर दें. Right? It has to be in you know
in form of something with fragrance or something.
So in forms of creams or something or वो so a good light based moisturizer जिनकी skin oily है. Okay. And then we have a nice serum. Niacinamide is the key. Okay? I think
a lot of people have been raving about it.
Yes, it is actually a really star ingredient, I would say. Agar wo aap products mein dekhein, it is good for your pores, for your dark spots, and for brightening you up.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
And then a good face wash, again. Also, I would recommend jisme niacinamide ho.
Okay.
Because that will also give you a lightening effect, brightening effect, जो आपके डार्क स्पॉट्स और इन सबको क्लियर करे
करता है.
So I think something ये एक basic ingredient.
And niacinamide is basically B5, vitamin B5, isn't it?
Yeah, not really.
What would
but
you?
It's a combination.
It's a combination. What would you say of retinols? I'd love to ask you because vitamin A derivatives also are quite famous.
Yeah. But then there are a lot of case studies now that are happening that they say there are more better things than retinol because retinol can be adverse on the skin, right?
Yeah.
I still do promote it.
And what about AHA and BHAs and all?
AHA, BHA, that's like an acid for a regenerative of the skin, right? But then again, हमारी skin type पे, Asian skin type पे, I don't think it's a really good option.
I think European market में तो काफी use
आप AHA, BHA करें, but use a very good sunblock with it.
Sunblock with it. Sunblock तो भाई, I think Laiba can't stress enough about the kind of sunblock you need to use.